Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and today I'm coming to show you this easy Coachella inspired makeup. Simple, easy, quick, whatever. You know I love a cut crease, so we have to do a cut crease because when you got hooded eyes, we need to see all the colors, sis. We need to see all the colors. Put a little bit of flowers in my hair, a little bit on my face. This is like my regular makeup, but throwing something on top of it. Simple, 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 simple. Alright guys, if you want to see how I got this Coachella inspired look, go ahead and continue to watch. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Share this video with your friends. Comment down below if you like this look. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to bloom because a flower is so blossomy in nature. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, girlies, let's get started. I've already done basically my whole face. I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use these colors here, and I'm just going to go in with the first color, which I think is called Access. And I'm just using that as the color on my brow bone. And now I'm going in with that green color, and I am putting that all over my crease. I just want to blend that out. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease. I know I cut a lot of creases, y'all. Mainly it's because I have hooded eyes, and I like to see the color on my lid. Once you start doing cut creases, they become addictive, honestly. I think I'm addicted to it. So now I'm going in with the color, I think this is called Coin. And I'm putting it all over my lid. And now I'm just going back in with that green color, and I am blending that out. And now I'm just going to use my calligrapher from Glamite eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. It's really good with precision. If anyone is returning, you know I do not like eyeliner. Don't like winging it. I just don't like eyeliner. I just don't. But for this look, I feel like it's necessary, so I'm doing it. Alright, so I went ahead and did my other eye. Now I'm going back in with that green color as under the eye to just complete the look. Alright, now I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. By the way, the foundation I have on is Morphe. The concealer I have on is Morphe. Or Morphe. However you want to say it. Tomato? Okay. This is my favorite blush from Radiance. This is in the color Toasted Almond. So I have this foundation on a lot, and I noticed that it's kind of breaking apart around my lips or my mouth area. So just keep that in mind, guys. And this is my Morphe highlighter in the color Mirage, as you saw. And now I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. This is all about Morphe, this tutorial I see. So I went ahead and did my lashes, and then I put on some lips. Okay, and now I'm just adding some fun shapes to my face just to give my face a little bit of pizzazz for my Coachella face look. Gotta have a little bit of something. A little bit of something. And I went ahead and did the other side. I probably should have done my hair, but you know, it's short, so. But I'm just gonna add some flowers to my hair. Flower child. I feel like usually Coachella is like you can like literally go like you're a hippie. So flowers are always welcome. And I mean, guys, this is pretty much it. Literally just my regular makeup, fun eyes, something on my face, and that's it, guys. That's really it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah!
Josh, make my head sound.